Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Welcome to XM Live Education. This is the Beginner's Room Indicators Masterclass with Mr. Slav Kolev, and I'm going to be your trading expert in the next 1 hour. Looking forward, as always, to have this session as an open debate, open discussion. Please talk to me about the trades, the setups, the ideas, instruments, just anything you guys are interested in. Please bring it on. Let's talk trading, let's talk market, and let's talk opportunities. If there is any particular idea or setup, just be let's keep the communication on high level. And also for the shy people that don't use the chat, this is the only way you get to know what you want to know. Because I may be sharing something that is in my head that's completely different than something that you want to hear. Let's say I analyze oil, but you're not into oil, you're into natural gas or Canadian dollar or just whatever. So please be welcome to use me as much. And if by any chance I don't have the answer that you're looking to get, because I don't know everything, I'm going to transfer you to the right expert here in XM Live Education that is going to be smart enough to provide the information that you seek to get. Boyki is to speak here. Um, I have the challenge, the new challenge account being created is going to be funded a little later on. So we're going to start using any of those challenges, and I'm going to use the time to ask you which maybe we combine two at the same time. We will definitely be scalping. Yeah. Um, 10, 10 trades without a loss. This is very difficult to do in the live sessions because the highest probability signals not always come here. That's why I prepare you and I tell you, okay, at this zone we're going to sell, at this one we're going to buy, this is what you expect, this is where you triggered. Yet, 10 without a loss, I will have to be following the account outside, and I really want to execute only with you. Outside is actually too easy, actually. Max drawdown, maybe not now, maybe a little later on. I'll try to do it, but we'll see. One trade per day, high quality trades, scalping challenge, no. 10 day without a loss. 4 weeks in profit and 60% hit rate. Either let's do 100 trade challenge, and then next month I will do the consistency challenge. We have the scalping challenge. 100 trade, it may take 2 months, may take longer period of time. That's why I just keep it like this, and whenever the next one happens, um, this is when we are going to look for it and anticipate it. Boyki, Ioannis, V for Vendetta, and Jeff are in the building. We're expecting also to see Yazid. Yazid have prepared a trading system for us. I'm going to start everything when he tunes in. He said that he will be a little late. Of course, there could be obstacle if it's work, etc. That's why I decided to do nothing until he comes. Um, it is going to be half of the session will be dedicated to Yazid, and the first half of the session I will complete the list of the instruments here that we have. Um, the instruments that we didn't analyze, then we're gonna go through oil, natural gas, signal awaiting, spring, and long, and I put a bold color exactly. And everything else that we didn't analyze, there are not too many instruments, so we have time to 2025 to do it. And then afterwards, I'm going to backtest in front of you somebody else's trading system, which is Yazid in this particular case. It's going to help multiple ways, multiple things. First and foremost, it's going to help you understand how I backtest personally, visual and more detailed backtest For you to see how you could benefit from this, I always say that a trader that doesn't backtest is a trader guessing his future. A trade that backtests is a trader that at least can expect some certain outcome from from his trading performance. Also, something that we are passed through, CPI in the Eurozone, we are passed through this kind of non-event, exactly as expected. So not much going on there. We're going to be backtesting on this session, but before that, let's finish with all the instruments. So we did Aussie, yeah, we did analyze the Australian dollars um, already. Now let us go to the pound. We did analyze it. Canadian dollar is something that we have not analyzed. So I will open the dollar cut. As I said, I have the new account. We're going to get to use it a little later on. And this also look very nice. Look where we at this zone, going up, a move up, and then sell from here. Yeah, I kinda see strong US dollar leg at this moment, even though Canadian dollar is kind of bullish. We got tariffs involved in this. We have Trump talk tonight. I kind of like to buy Canadian dollar. Might not be in combination with US dollar, right? With the current environment. So let's check and see what we have to do. Still bullish. Beware of the dollar direction. No cut news. The cut news we have on Friday. I'm going to change that to this green. I'm gonna remove the boat and say only only long after pullback. Yeah, only long after a pullback. Now the Swiss franc, which is the next instrument I'm gonna analyze, I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Dollar Swiss, actually not fast forward, but speed up to make sure we complete everything in this session. There is enough time for us to backtest. This looks good. This is even good for a long. Look at this. This is a strong buy signal. Uh, do I just execute a long on this account? Okay. I'm going to fund this account a little later on. I'm going to fund this account a little later on. But we have game, yeah? There is game already. And this game is a long game now. We got a spring on the 4 hour with nice volumetric candle closing back in the structure. The better confirmation will be if this breakout candle, we have a higher close of the body of this candle, which in terms of price is 89.95. Yes, break and close of 89.95 of dollar versus Swiss franc will be my optimal long. Um, and now we have two targets, where the first one is right up here, but that's pretty shallow, 0.39. I think that we have some very good probability that we come up to this upper volumetric zone. Um, let's check something else. Let's say Aussie Swissy. Let's see how risk versus commodity currency. So this is going up. Australian is stronger than the Swiss franc. Yes, we're pushing up. Yes, we're pushing up. It's expected to be up. So in this case, if I get a signal on Australian dollar and this is projected to be going up, I better short the long the dollar Swiss franc or short Swissy against the US dollar. So Swissy, I like it like this, right? I will just put it both. I give it dark red color, like this, and short till Friday. Short till Friday. Friday? When is it? No, Thursday. Till till Thursday morning. Thursday, 10 o'clock. I think we could squeeze something good here, yeah? Yep, absolutely. So Swiss franc is bearish. Um, Now US dollar, we didn't say anything, so I'm going to put red, but I'm going to remove the boat. I say pullback and short again. Right now it's time to long US dollar, at least as per the instruments that I am personally looking at. Look how the euro dollar look alike. Look how the Kiwi, yeah, look how Kiwi looks like. It is buy US dollar for short term, and then we will look to sell it on, of course, better price to anticipate. So I think that we get more of it written and very clear. Closing this, closing the dollar Swissy. So the first territory is right up here for take profit, not for selling. I don't look to buy Swiss franc at the moment. First target, second target. Second target is 1.34% exactly the distance that we discussed earlier on the New Zealand dollar as well. Yeah. Let's close this cotton. Let's close this euro dollar. Let's keep oil because I'm waiting for a long signal on oil. We don't have it yet. This 4 hour is going to close at the end of my next session, so it's going to be some good time potentially for anticipation. Dollar cut. Let's close this. Dollar Swissy and QE dollar. Okay. Let's keep this. So we did all of those. um, Mexican, New Zealand, we did it. Mexican peso and Norwegian krona. Those are USD NOK and USD MXN. Yeah, let's go peso. Let's go krona. Dollar Mexican peso, it's hugging the lows. It got retested by this volumetric territory, but I would not exclude for it getting deeper before it reverts down. Um, Also, the postponed tariffs is at the end of the month. Yeah, might be good for a sell. I like it for a sell and buy peso. I just need some better level to do it. Note Refero. Look at the end of month. Um, yeah, tariff talks. And we are into a very good position if we short dollar Mexican peso because you're getting paid a lot by buying the Mexican peso. So dollar Mexican peso short position is getting us overnight payment. That's why this is our usual, or at least mine, usual preferred direction when it comes to the dollar uh, versus Mexican peso. Yeah, I prefer to be on the sell side and buy Mexican peso against the US dollar. So keep it like this, and the dollar Norwegian krona. Well, I mean,